Hello everyone and happy Sunday. As promised, I said I was going to show you a video of my air filter setup and how I am able to connect my filter to my Glowforge Pro machine. So there are two options when there's several options for when getting the Glowforge. So option number one is getting the air filter from Glowforge directly, and that is, I believe, $1,000 for the filter, which isn't bad if it's just, a one-time thing. However, you have to switch out the filter every 2 to 3 months, and that's a couple $100 just to do that. So the option number two is using the hose that comes with the Glowforge, which I can show you right here. It looks like a dryer vent. This is what comes with the Glowforge, and you can filter it right out a window. However, if you are looking to reduce noise, reduce smell, make sure the air quality is superb, I suggest getting an additional filter for less than $1,000, and that's what I have right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you my setup with that. So as I stated, this is the vent that comes with the Glowforge. Just your typical dryer vent, very thin, you can tell it's kind of cheap. And then I did buy an arm extension right here to reduce the size, because the vent that came with the Glowforge does not fit on the filter that I got. So this is the filter that I got from Amazon. I believe it was about $120, just a little bit less than $120. It does have a fan built in, if you can see it. Oh, it's actually on the other side. And it is going to pull the air out and the fumes all out of the machine and filter it through here. And then I bought an additional tube, a little more heavy duty, and I am going to put this on and then filter it out the window. For now, I'm just going to pop open the window and stick my hose in there and filter it out that way. However, eventually I do want to build something for the window to get everything flowing. Now, when setting this up, you do want to make sure that the arrows are pointing away from the machine. This is the way that the air is going to go. And actually, I did set it up incorrectly the first time, and I'm going to show you a little video now on what happens when it's set up incorrectly. Definitely seems to be sucking it in instead of out. So that's not good, right? So do I just have to flip-flop this? So now that my arrows are facing the correct way, I am just going to, so what I did was, I'll show you the whole process. I clamped this clamp, which came with the Glowforge as well, onto the back of my machine, running the vent through here. I will provide links in the description below on this size reducer I got to fit properly. This clips right on to my filter, and then I am going to put this right on here, and I am working kind of with one hand here, so I am going to use my screwdriver to tighten this clamp right here onto this machine, and I will be right back. Okay, now that I have this all flipped, all tightly secured, I am going to turn my fan on, and it does come with this cool little switch right here. Turn it on high, and it does take a little bit to kick in. And I am just going to make sure now the air is blowing out instead of sucking in. And there we go. Cool, it works. So that is my hack. And then I'm just gonna put this in here, and it's going to blow right out the window. So that is going to reduce fumes. That is going to help the air quality in my small little office. So I will post links, like I said, below on my entire system, where to purchase, what to purchase, and and you can get this entire filter system for about $120. So way better than spending over $1,000.